Now we are going to solve a JEE question. JEE session 1, 22/1/2025. So if the set A contains the element 1, 2, 3, then the number of non-empty equivalence relation from A to A is, this is question. The options are 4, 5, 6 and 8. Usually this problem can be solved. Let us consider the given set A is equal to 1, 2, 3. So the number of relations from A to A can be calculated as 2 power n of A into n of A, that is 2 power 3 into 3, that is 2 power 9 is equal to 512. So out of these 512 relations, the number of non-empty equivalence relations, they asked how many non-empty equivalence relations are there. Out of these 512, number of non-empty relations are 512 minus 1. The one is always empty. The empty set is the most improper. So totally 511 relations are there. We have only 3 elements in the set A. So from A to A, we can form 511 non-empty relations. Out of these 511 non-empty relations, how many of them are equivalence relation? Okay. So it is impossible to form all 511 relations and check which are all the equivalence one. So for that, we are having a small trick that is called Bell's triangle. What is Bell's triangle? This Bell's triangle will give the number of partitions, this number of partitions in the given set, that is equivalence partition in the given set. That partition will give the equivalence relation. That partition can be calculated using the Bell's triangle. Okay, that partition is explained by Srinivasa Ramanujan. Okay, now we are going to discuss about Bell's triangle. What is Bell's triangle? Let us start with the number 1 in the here. Again, put number 1 and 1. If we are going to add these two and make this entry here, so 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Once here we get a number, initially the first row contains 1 element, second row contains 2 element, third row contains 3 element, fourth row contains 4 element, goes on. So once we get the number here, we use this number in the next row. So here put 2, here 1 is the number. So again only one number in the first row, so again use the number 1 in the second row as the first element. So add these two and put the value here. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So second row contains 2 elements, so put the number 2 in the third row. So now going to add these two, we get a 3. Okay, so now add these two, we get a 5. So in third row we get a 3 elements, so again take these 5 to the next row, that is 5. Now add these two, 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. Again add these two, we get 10. Again add these two, we get a 15. So this fourth row contains 4 elements. So again take this 15 to the next row, that is 15. So 5 plus 15 is equal to 20. Here 27, here 37. Again add this, we get 52. So here 5 elements in the fifth row. Like that we can form Bell's triangle. In the Bell's triangle, the last number in the row will give the number of equivalence relations. Here, if the set has only one element, it has only one equivalence relation. If the set has 2 elements, it has 2 equivalence relation. If the set has 3 elements, it has 5 equivalence relation. If the set has 4 elements, then it has 15 equivalence relation. If the set has 5 elements, it has 52 equivalence relation. In the given question, the set A contains 3 elements, 1, 2, 3. Whatever the element may be. In some question, they will ask A, B, C. In some question, they will ask 10, 12, 13. In some question, they will ask A, E also. Whatever the element may be. In some question, they ask horse, donkey, monkey, whatever it may be. Only 3 elements. The number of elements is the matter. What is the element is not a matter. Whatever the element may be, there are totally 3 elements only. So, we have how many equivalence relation? 5 equivalence relation. So, the answer is 5. Thank you.